Hey loves, it's still March 25th, 2019. Right now it's 8:34 in the morning. It's a Monday. I just had breakfast, and if you saw my previous video, I had ham that is super duper salty. So now I'm doing this video so we can work together in trying to figure out how to remove the saltiness from the ham. It has 950 milligrams of sodium per 3 ounces. And I just had 6 ounces. So good thing I'm not about to make out with anybody. It's been a really salty kiss. So I'm gonna take my ham, put it in this pot. This is the biggest container I have here right now, other than just putting it in a bucket. Maybe I should do that. That's the plate I just used to eat. Oh my gosh. Oh. Girl. I know I'm bad. It's the PMS brain. I'm gonna blame something. I'm going to fill this bucket up with water. And then when it's full, I'm gonna put it away for several hours. When I do remember, I'm going to empty it and I am going to taste the water, and maybe I will rinse the ham again. As a matter of fact, to cut the process down a little bit, I think I'm gonna cut the ham open into big chunks just so that I can rinse as much of the salt out as possible. All right, here you go. I cut it in this size chunks, and I'm gonna soak it here for several hours, and I'll come back and find it later. It's inside the refrigerator, in case you're wondering. It's been several hours, and our friend here has lost a lot of salt. To drain this water, and I'll put more in because it's really salty, the water that comes out of this, which means I could the ham could afford to go through another cleansing, so to speak. I'm gonna need both hands for this. You know what? I think it's fine. I think I recently had some work done in my teeth, so they're still slightly sensitive to cold, some of them. I think that it's good. If I get out any more salt out of it, it's gonna need salt, which will defeat the purpose. So I'm just gonna drain it. Drain it some more, and hopefully I have a big enough container to keep this. Right now it's 7:20 p.m. if I'm gonna be real with you. And I had it in here, so it's easily 9 hours or something like that. I've had this ham in this cold water forever. So it's cold water, right? We don't want to cook it any more than it's already cooked. Cold water, and do maybe 4 to 5 hours. If you forget it, it's not gonna go bad because it's in the fridge. I had mine in the fridge for about 9 hours, and the salt, it worked. I could easily say it took off 50% of the salt. Parts of it, I mean, I'm not gonna eat the whole thing to test it. Maybe dip inside the bigger chunks. You're gonna still taste it, but the small pieces that I tasted almost tasted like they almost need salt. But my family always says I use less salt than normal. They always have to add more salt to my food, which to me is a compliment because it's a whole nother story. That's what you do, and that's what we did, and it worked. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you next time. Bye.